You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to say the name of the city in central Mexico. We'll be looking at how to say more names from Mexican Spanish. Santiago de Queretaro is how it's said. Santiago de Queretaro, how you say it, pronounce it in Spanish. So in English, Santiago de Queretaro, Queretaro, Santiago de Queretaro. And now you know. More videos we're here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.